From graceful owls gliding through the night sky to seasonal festivities and real estate insights, The Breeze is coming to life this fall with a brand new online experience, bringing you closer to the stories that make our community unique. Featuring local activities and stunning sunsets that grace our skies, The Breeze serves as a gentle reminder to appreciate the everyday beauty of our surroundings and the special moments we enjoy here. And with the community favorite, Curious Creatures, you'll get up close and personal with native Bay Area wildlife such as the mountain lion, majestic, elusive, and a symbol of strength.
Hello, my name is Jessie Leal, and I'm excited to share these stories with you. Make sure you enter your name and email to stay connected. See you soon.